You should go. Alright, tour time. Bed. And then we also had this floral decoration earlier. And then this is our view outside. I think it's a little bit of a high tide. It looks like the water went up. It's a little bit hot today, so it's perfect time to surf. I also want to show you that what is this? I'm trying to show my viewers. Show them the bathroom. There's no naughty stuff in here, right? Oh, here, the snacks. So you can get the snacks here. The only thing that's not included are these. And then you open the fridge. Oh, this way. These two are not included. Everything else is. But we're not drinkers, so we just drank the sodas. Then you have like here, robes. You're scaring me, man. Yeah. Alright, then you have two sinks here. And you have a toilet, an open space. Yeah. You have a jacuzzi. Alright, and then you have the window that's overlooking the water, and this is perfect time to go. Anyway, so this is in room 164, which is, oh, there's a bee there. 164, where there's a bee. Oh, okay, sorry. This is room 164, and this is at the sunset. It's about to shit, so let's go.
Do not disturb.
Alright, I thought we would give you some tips. So one is, if you're not a drinker, I wouldn't say you should get all-inclusive package, right? Maybe the full board, just because it's a waste. They will give you a lot of alcoholic drinks. Secondly, if you want the bungalow experience, it would be nice to splurge on the sunset side, but that will be a lot of money. You have the option to go to the bungalow overlooking water, but it's a little bit farther up. Or you can just get the beach villa, which is technically overlooking the sunset on this side. The villa beaches are, which is actually much closer to the restaurants. Over here, the left side, and the others are on the right side. Probably save you a lot more money than we did, because we did spend a lot of money. But it's also our honeymoon, okay? And we didn't have a big wedding, so we're getting a big honeymoon.
We're not even having a honey yet.
We have bitter moon, bitter watermelon moon. Third, we would suggest that you get our own equipment for snorkeling, such as your goggles, the piece to breathe out, and your fins. I forgot my fins because when I went to the Philippines, I was thinking I can always just rent it out since my bag was overpacked, because sister wants me to bring all this kind of stuff to the Philippines. And then coming back, I had some pasalubong, which are packages for my family. So I left my fins. Now I don't know where it is. So here, I think it's about $6 plus taxes and service charges. So I would suggest you bring everything. So from New York to Maldives, I needed to get a COVID test for about 96 hours before our flight. I got it at our hospital, which took about 6 hours to result. I got it around 7 p.m. and resulted the next morning, the day before our flight. Then you had to fill out, most importantly, because we missed it, this health declaration. It's very detailed. You have to write down your hotel, your flight, your COVID test, if you get the vaccination. The CDC vaccination, we brought it just in case, but honestly we really didn't even need it, but just bring it because it says information about when you got your first dose, when you got your second dose. And then you just have to make sure that you don't have any COVID symptoms, wear your mask, and stay protected. Okay, let's talk about the seaplane. So here in Veligandu, the seaplane can actually be parked right by the entrance of the resort. Our round trip ticket is about $680. I think that's for both of us. When you arrive to Maldives, you will just have to go to number 59 from what I recall. It's under Veligandu, and then you will meet with one of the workers there, and he will help you out how to get your tickets. But it's really easy. He pretty much just take your luggage and then weigh it. Remember, the luggage has to be about 20 kilogram for checked in luggage, 20 kilogram, and for carry-on it has to be, I believe, 7 kilograms. Speaking of which, looks what's arriving. Yep, it's a seaplane. Hello. And it is stopping right over there. See? When it lands, it can be very, like, turbulence. Big large turbine, but it's you should do it for the experience. Remember that. It's up to you if if it's under your budget, but definitely if you're under the budget, you can come here and you can do the beach villa, which is a lot. But one thing I forgot to mention though is with all-inclusive, you can get a free snorkeling class for 30 minutes around this area near our bungalow. It was pretty cool. And then secondly, you can get like lessons, like windsurfing lessons we got, which we really suck. So do kayaking for free. And then they have tomorrow we'll have the dinner a la carte, not the buffet. And then we have the Sunset Dolphins cruise, which we will be doing tonight. So a lot of things are included. So you're lucky you witnessed the seaplane right on the spot while I was talking about it. Oh, I forgot to add. I just want to say thank you to Expedia for giving us a coupon of $100 for food. Oh, hello. yeah. Expedia for giving us a coupon for, I think it's for food, and as well as a $30 coupon per person for the excursion. So we really appreciate that because we're gonna use that to get lobster, and lobster here costs $98 or $159 for special dinner. Well, technically for us is free, so we're gonna try it out. So the weather, it's from mid-June right now, 2021. The weather is beautiful. The weather reminds me of Thailand, except maybe less humid. The breeze from the water can really cool you off. So I would take the chance of booking off-season because there's a good chance that you may encounter sunshine every day, and the wind is not even too strong. But hopefully it stays this way until we leave. And as far as the COVID-19, you have a host here. Our host is Seaplane, and he coordinates what we need, and one of them is our COVID test. So we need to go back to US with a proof that we're COVID negative. Hopefully we are. In that case, we'll have it tomorrow, the day before we leave, which we hope will get the test result by the next morning. And yeah, I wanted to give him that. See, he's enjoying it. No, I wanted to do the spa, but the spa here is very exorbitant. So we just decided to get the jacuzzi. And he's enjoying it. That's all that matters, right? If you can comment anything you want to know, I'll try to answer them and help you guys so you can have your own little adventure here too in the Maldives. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making videos, and it really motivates me to have viewers who can rely on my videos to help you guys go on cool trips like this in the near future. So thank you again for watching. One last thing is, I would like to thank Veligandu for their hospitality and for giving us this wonderful experience here in Maldives. Thank you. Bye.